This video will be called Two Sightings, Spaceship of King Anu, Two Sightings. So we will see it live on this video. Hopefully you enjoy this one. So it was amazing to see it live. I didn't see a Spaceship of King Anu for a long time, and then it happened. Hopefully we see it here. We saw this, there's another stuff happening, so we need to focus. So let's
Is this extraterrestrial showing up?
let's rewind. Start from the beginning.
Something is going on with this webcam. See strange stuff happening on the webcam. You see it?
So something is propping up like popcorn in the sky, and then we see the Spaceship of King Anu in two sightings. So this is really interesting to watch.
You see people?
So stuff are very intensive in the skies. A lot of UFO activity. It's unbelievable. I never experienced such intensity. You see it, people?
Is this extraterrestrial
These entities are
showing up?
showing more and more because of the matrix is falling.
This is the Spaceship of King Anu, you see it?
So it's here.
Spaceship of King Anu.
You see?
You see it, people?
So I have other pictures that I can zoom out and enhance. So it will be good pictures when I make the other video about it using
You saw it, people? It was the Spaceship of King Anu.
the print screen
Then we have
technology.
this stuff happening on the screen.
So this is recording
Like
from live. You saw just the Spaceship of King Anu, the Most High.
appearing and disappearing.
You'll see it again soon. We're seeing stuff that
Let me
is
use this one.
like a glitch or something on the screen appearing and disappearing, like
Yeah. You saw it? You
it's
see
happening
it
everywhere. So where I'm pointing, it is not there. I'm trying to point out where I just saw it.
You see it, people?
So this video is the best to watch on slow motion. And I got one of these stuff that is propping up also by print screen, because I was print screening another sighting of
another video about this stuff. We are seeing.
you see Spaceship of King Anu?
See this Spaceship of King Anu?
This is the one.
You see stuff, people?
So you saw it, people. This is
two sightings
twice
one
cycling,
video
twin
on
cycling.
live, and we see other stuff popping up.
One going to the right, one going to the left.
Everywhere.
So you will enjoy the other one also, the video with
You
the
better watch in
print screen.
slow motion if you don't see it. So it happens so quickly. I don't know what it is.
Still happening.
I really don't know what it is.
So also I'll use the print screen pictures
So
to
I'll
put
be
on the
making another
thumbnail,
video about this stuff.
because otherwise we got no good thumbnail of this video.
Blessings.
So that's all, people. Blessings.